Hello, welcome to Scotty Speakeasy. Today I'll be showing you how to make the classic drink, the Moscow Mule. This drink calls for vodka, ginger beer, lime juice, and a copper mug. The reason this copper mug is so important is because to get the true taste of any vodka, you're going to want to get that vodka ice cold. And the copper mug, the copper is very susceptible to heat changes. Now the reason this Moscow Mule is named such is because Americans associate vodka with Russia and the mule with the kick that you'll get from the ginger beer. So to begin, add 4 ice cubes. Let those ice cubes sit for a second, and you already notice this copper mug is getting cold to the touch. Now the classic drink calls for 1.5 ounces of vodka, 4 ounces of ginger beer, and a splash of lime juice. We don't do anything pansy around here at Scotty's Speakeasy, so I double the vodka. Now experience tells me that 3 seconds of pouring equals 3 ounces. 1, 2, 3. Four ounces of the ginger beer. I just fill the rest of the glass with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you actually get 5 ounces of the beer and a splash of lime juice. Try not to miss when you're actually in front of girls. They'll laugh at you. And at this point, I would put a little lime wedge here. But again, we don't do pansy shit over here at Scotty's Speakeasy, so I don't have any lime wedges. And that is how you make the Moscow Mule. Y'all come back now, you hear?